How to save WhatsApp media to SD card. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how we can save WhatsApp media to SD card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you have to launch the settings in your device. Once you have opened up your settings, you have to scroll down and then head towards system option and then tap on it. Now from systems, you have to tap on developer options. So here what you have to search is that force on external. So keep on scrolling and search for that option that says force on external, and you will find that under standby apps. Here it says force allow apps on external, so make sure to turn it on. Once you have turned it on, you have basically allowed the WhatsApp to store its media on your device SD card. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.